Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel's Cooking Mom. And today I'm gonna make some some Italian garlic bread. All we're gonna need is butter, some bread. I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and some Italian seasoning. I've got about a little over a piece of stick of butter. I'm gonna melt that first. If I need any more, I'll melt some more. And I'm gonna do probably as much as this pan will hold. But like I said, if you're new to my channel and you like my videos, go on and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Also, I want to thank my subscribers for subscribing. I hope you like my videos, and I've got some new ones recently, and I want to thank them. So, thank them and my other ones. So, anyway, I like to say that. I like to shout out to them for subscribing. But anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to melt my butter first. I've got a bowl, and I've got a little thing to spread it on the butter on the bread. So I'm going to go ahead and melt this butter, and I will come back. Okay, I got my butter melted, and I'm probably going to get eight slices on here. I'm gonna make it 8 anyway. I'm gonna make room for 8. And I've got my oven preheating. I got it on broil. So I'm gonna broil one side, and then we're gonna come back and broil the other side. So all you're gonna do is just put your butter on there. And when we do this side and put the seasoning on it, we'll come back and do the other side. And the reason I like to do it on broil, because it's faster. Anything to save time in cooking. And it works just as well. So you just got to turn it over on the other side and broil it there too. So I'm going to move that one over a little bit so I can get this one good. And I think just a little bit of butter probably do it. So I'm going to season it pretty good. And that way you'll have enough seasoning, and when you make stuff, you won't have to add extra. It'll be on your bread. If that makes any sense. Now put a little bit of onion powder. Okay. Put a little bit of onion powder. Put a little bit of garlic. I got garlic powder. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the oven, and then I'll come back and we'll do the other side. It's kind of soft a little bit there, but I'm going to turn it over and it'll do better. I'm not put quite as much butter on the other side. But hey, this stuff smells good. It smells good enough to eat right like it is. It smells like Subway. That's what it smells like. And I'll come back and brown that other side a little bit more. I'm just gonna do it a little. I probably shouldn't have put as much butter as I did, but hey, I like the buttery flavor. A little bit more on that one. Okay, now give us a shake again. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And Italian seasoning. That garlic and that Italian seasoning got it smelling so good. Alright, now I'll pop it back in the oven and I'll come back. Alright. I got this side pretty brown. And I'm going to turn that back over and brown it some more. And probably that piece right there didn't brown as good. But hey. I'm going to stick it back in the oven. Okay. This garlic Italian breadcrumbs is done. And look at both sides. They turned out good. So, and they're crispy. So as soon as they cool, I'll put it in my food processor. So, and that's what it is to cooking. You just got to experiment. So as soon as it cools, I'll put them in the food processor and chop them up. Okay. I ate half of one. It was good. They're cool enough. And you can make this in less than 10 minutes because it didn't take that bread long at all to cook. A couple minutes on each side, maybe, if that much. So. See, that's what you want. Do some more. I'm gonna make some meatloaf later today, and I'm gonna put some of this in it, and I'll have some extra left. Throw some more in there. I had to get me another bite. One more piece of bread. There, that got it. That's there. I have to take the piece out of there. Put that to the side. All right, there's my breadcrumbs. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of breadcrumb, onion powder. So, and it was so simple to make. Took me probably 10 minutes to do it. So, and like I say, they good. There's one little piece that's a little bigger. I'll take care of that. Anyway, like I said, that's my breadcrumbs. Simple, easy to make. So, like I said, I hope you like my videos. If you do, go on there and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And thanks for watching.